Hi sir, how are you doing?
I'm great, thank you.
Wonderful. Sir, can you introduce yourself to the audience of Machine Maker?
Yeah, I'm Kalidas Bhangare, leading Testo India Pvt Limited. Since 16 years in India, we are into test and measuring instrument used in different industry, pharma, food, cement, steel, power. Yeah,
So that kind of industry. Okay. Since last 60 years.
16 years
16 years.
in India, and that way we are 65-year-old company in Germany.
Acha,
Yeah.
65. Wow. Sir, India is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on manufacturing in India?
Manufacturing, see, the Germans, is little conservative, but they want to maintain the quality. The reason behind this, and I know that now in India the manufacturing sector is growing, and we have been able to compete with the international market. There is some discussion, but not immediately. There may be after a few years.
After a few years, we
Yeah.
can see Testo manufacturing finally in India.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. What are the products that you are showcasing today?
Here we are showcasing all our products for like humidity, temperature, velocity, thermal imager, flue gas analyzer, and particularly this is the system which I'm the latest version of humidity and temperature wireless data monitoring system.
Wow. Which industry is this made for?
This is mainly for pharmaceutical, but not limiting. It is also used in cold chain also.
Acha.
And the beauty of this system is it can work on radio frequency, that is wireless or Wi-Fi, and also on Ethernet. So customer can choose what he wants. And even if he has taken wireless sensor now and later on he wants to change to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, that's possible.
Wow.
Yeah. So, and this is 21 CFR compliant, which is the requirement for pharmaceutical industry as per US FDA.
Wow, that's a great news
Yeah.
for the pharmaceutical
Sure.
industry. Sir, and about the other products, I have been into Automation Expo today and I have seen a lot of products.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of players in your line.
Yeah.
So how does Testo differentiate itself?
Being a German technology, first and foremost, when you see the customer uses any one of product for even few days or few months, then he is rest assured. He don't have to think about. Talking about this system, when the auditor sees the customer is using the Testo data loggers, he is not asking much questions.
Acha.
Yeah, that is the experience shared from our customers, particularly in pharma industries. And talking about the
So what's best part of it? Is it accuracy? Is it...
Yes, accuracy, stability, and consistency. These are for the Testo. So we call it as a be sure. Once you install the Testo system, he did not worry. What is additional into that is the services, I would say. In India, we have our own enable accredited calibration lab, and we also provide validation and qualification to the customers. So most of our competitors do not have this facility of the services, these services, which we have. And I have installed that. My engineers are trained in Germany and they can provide the service. Then we are available 24/7 to the customer.
24/7 availability with the
Yes.
customer. That's difficult to give. How do you manage it?
Yeah, I have trained people, so they work, and generally it is not required, but if at all there is something which my team is always there to
Support.
support customer.
What's new for Testo? What's coming up?
Now we'll be coming up with the new portable, we call it as a compact class instruments for humidity, temperature, air velocity, sound, lux. Yeah.
Oh.
We have it, but the upgraded, the latest version, which can be IoT based.
So IoT based
Yes.
technology is coming up.
That is something now new. Everyone wants to have the data at his fingertips. So we have the instruments which can be connected to your smartphone, and customer can see the data from anywhere.
Wow, that's great. How has been Automation Expo for you?
Automation is good. In general, automation is always good for us, but this time maybe slightly slow response because of the holiday season. 15th August, and then
Janmashtami.
Janmashtami. But overall, it's good.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for having us here. All the best for your
Thank
future,
you,
sir.
Akshay.